Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you this recipe, chicken with celery. All ingredients below in my info box. We are going to need a lot of chopped celery, onion and tomato, salt, black pepper and ground garlic powder, and optional a piece of chili, olive oil, and any chicken pieces that you want. Okay, we are going to start. In a pot, add some olive oil. And I'm going to add the chicken pieces. And I'm seasoning with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, but only a half part. And we only want to light golden brown our chicken pieces, okay? Then we'll remove them. And in the same pot with oil, I will put the onion and tomato. And a little piece of chili. Remember, this is optional. Mix everything, and I'm going to add more oil. And when the onion and tomatoes are cooked, add the rest of the salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And we also add our celery. Mix everything together. And finally, I'm going to return the chicken pieces to the pot. And I'm going to cover the pot and let it cook over slow heat. Then you return and stir everything. Cover again the pot and let it cook over low heat until the chicken pieces are fully cooked. Okay, our chicken is ready. Look the tasty juices and it smells so good, guys. And this is the final result. I serve it with toast, but you can serve with white rice. Guys, please subscribe, thumbs up, and follow me on my social media. And she's Candy, my coton de Tuliara. She's with me every Wednesdays with my recipes, but she has own videos every Saturday. See you next time. Bye-bye.